In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the vent cover on your stove hood. This is the screen that blocks the air vent whenever you turn the fan on that is above the stove. So whenever it's on and it's sucking air up, it can catch a lot of debris, especially when you're cooking. So these things get really dirty. So I'm going to show you how to clean it real quick. So just go ahead and, there's a holder, a plastic piece, twist that to release the vent screen. Okay, it was kind of hard to record, but with one hand I started getting this bent up. So what I did to clean it really well was I had two hands, and I went on both sides, the right hand on the right side and the left hand on the left side. I was just rubbing them together underneath the water, and it got it really clean. So then I put it back on this table to flatten it out, and then I dried it off with a towel. And that's how you clean the fan cover on your stove vent hood.